Welcome back to Prospect Channels TV. Why people, we don't come back again with another Ogbonge update. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu returns to court today, 13th June. UN delegates in court. Nnamdi Kanu in a very high spirit as federal government legal team not comfortable at all. You see, I believe why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is this high in spirit is because when you know say all these things when they do to me, it go end based on say I not do anything bad. And for the fact that we don't, see court judgments several times when we say you don't discharge them. If we are in a same country, I believe the court will use all this. But you see, Nigeria is a country. They refer to Nigeria now as a lawless country. You make the law, you broke the law. It doesn't make sense. So today, once again, Nnamdi Kanu has returned back to court in this retrying whatever. I don't know what they are doing here because we don't supposed to be here again. So the UN delegates that are in court to witness the court process, they've been coming, but today there's a kind of increase in number. Remember that the United Nations Human Rights Council Working Group on Arbitrary Detention, in its 2022 opinion, they called for the immediate and unconditional release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and compensation for his arbitrary detention. You understand? Furthermore, the Court of Appeal of Nigeria in October 2022 discharged and acquitted him of all charges, citing that his extraordinary rendition from Kenya was unlawful and the violation of international law. You understand? So, with all this right now, Nigerian government is stuck. The Kenya government is dragging, the government for violating, local law and international law, adopting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from their country without their consent, according to the Kenya government, because that one now 9-day grant, then they deny involvement of Mazi being involved in this Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's, detention. So people, they ask this question, what really does the federal government of Nigeria want to prove in this matter of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? If you love the Igbos so much that you don't want them to go, why can't you address these issues they raised that brought about the agitations? Despite months of lobbying by the Southern lawmakers, traditional rulers, and civil society advocates, Tinubu made no mention of Nnamdi Kanu's case during the speech in his Democracy Day. You understand? All this why? I don't know if anybody they try to, really uh, just monitor President Bola Ahmed Tinubu anytime people talk about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu detention, what is happening, in the southeast. He had never one day mentioned Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's name. Like I tell people, I even prefer Muhammad Buhari because when you tell him, he will reply you, meaning that you didn't know his mind. But this man have never one day said anything about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You don't even know his mind. What is he up to? Nigerian government, they retry this matter. That one self is even against the law. You understand? If we know what we are doing, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu does not supposed to be in detention anymore. You understand? Make just be like say, nah, to they go court to judge the matter. Anyway, we go know how this matter go to end. They talk say here when they hear word, it dey inside. And they fly when not they see they hear word. Now they follow dead body, they go inside grave. This matter fit bring Nigeria, bad luck. I know what I'm saying. Because every other community outside there, they see Nigeria as a country that does not obey its law. Tell me how you will be safe when you come to invest in such a country. This thing will affect our economy. It will affect everything concerning this country is affecting us already. You understand? It's affecting us. We are not in military government, but we are just more or less like military. They say we need democracy, you not get freedom. There is no freedom in this country. They do things the way they like it. If you don't like it, they will tell you go to court. Who is in the court? It's just like you fight with person. You fight finish, they say make una come village square come judge. The person when you wan go follow judge the matter, im papa na the king. E get dat brother na him be the chief, na him be the spokesperson for the village square. Tell me how you go take get justice. That's just an example of what is happening in Nigeria. It's really very shameful, so sad. So guys, we keep you posted as the case proceeds. We go let una know wetin happen today. So we are monitoring the case. Now I go drop this one, share this video, make it go viral. Abeg, just type freedom for NNAMDI KANU. This man should be released. He don't do.